For thousands of years, humanity has gazed up at the sky, searching for answers. It placed its gods in the stars and linked its destiny to the moon. The sky has sometimes been a calendar, sometimes a compass, and sometimes a sacred secret. In ancient times, people tried to read the future from the movement of the stars, building stone monuments and pyramids to understand the heavens. Over time, science replaced myths. Copernicus and Galileo redefined the order of the universe. Newton wrote the mathematics of the heavens. And finally, humanity wasn't content with simply gazing at the stars. It built rockets, launched satellites, and set foot on the moon. Today, our telescopes see into the depths of the universe. Tomorrow, we may live on other planets. Let's embark on a journey through the millennia-long journey of humanity's exploration of space. In ancient times, when people looked up at the sky, they saw not only stars, but also the imprints of the gods. In Greek mythology, Uranus, the sky god, Helios, the sun god, and Selene, the moon goddess, were identified with celestial bodies. Each constellation was a celestial reminder of heroic tales and tragedies. Orion shone in the sky as a symbol of hunters. Andromeda evoked a chained princess. In Egypt, the sun god Ra traveled across the sky daily in a ship and at night battled evil in the underworld. The alignment of the pyramids with the stars would help the souls of the pharaohs ascend to heaven. The Mayan civilization also placed great importance on the sky. For them, the planet Venus was a symbol of war and destiny. The complex calendar system they developed was based entirely on the movements of celestial bodies. In short, in mythology, the sky was not merely a void, it was a mirror reflecting humanity's imagination, fears, and hopes.